Start by cooking your chicken in a large skillet until it's golden brown. While that's sizzling, mix together some heavy cream, garlic, and Parmesan cheese in a separate saucepan. Once the chicken is ready, combine it with the creamy mixture and serve it over your favorite pasta. Remember, the key to a great Alfredo is a smooth and creamy sauce, so take your time with this step. Begin by seasoning your chicken with salt, pepper, and a generous amount of garlic. Then sear it in a hot pan with a splash of olive oil. Add in some lemon juice, chicken broth, and a dash of rosemary for that extra kick. The secret here is the lemon-garlic combo, which gives the dish its unique tangy flavor. Start by sautéing onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot. Add in your chicken, followed by some flour, chicken broth, and milk. Let that simmer until it thickens into a savory filling. Spoon this into a pie crust, top with another crust, and bake until golden brown. The result is a warm, hearty pie that's a perfect comfort food for any day of the week. Begin by marinating your chicken in a mixture of yogurt and spices. Cook the chicken in a hot pan, then set it aside. In the same pan, sauté onions and garlic, then add in tomatoes and spices. Add the chicken back in and let it simmer in the sauce. The key here is the marinating process, which infuses the chicken with a depth of flavor that's truly irresistible. Start by sautéing onions and garlic in a pan. Add in your chicken, followed by some cooked rice, stir in some soy sauce and scrambled eggs, and you're done. The trick to this dish is to use day-old rice, which gives it a great texture and helps it to absorb all the flavors. So there you have it, 5 fantastic chicken recipes that are easy to make and absolutely delicious. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking novice, these recipes are a great way to spice up your everyday meals. So go ahead, give them a try and enjoy the flavors of these amazing dishes. Did you enjoy these recipes? If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more mouth-watering recipes. We've got plenty more delicious dishes lined up for you. And if you found these recipes helpful, please show your love by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. We'd love to hear from you too. Leave us a comment below with your favorite chicken recipe or any cooking tips you'd like to share. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. We can't wait to see you in our next video.